Guys, welcome to the fourth must-have mod for the new 6th Gen 4Runner. And this one, you might think is a little like, why are you doing that if back in number 2 we did lost fit liners? Well, I got a couple reasons why I make that decision. So first off, from Canvasback Cargo Liners. Now these guys I had in the 5th Gen back in the day to protect the whole back, and all my carpet was like getting ripped up and everything. Now I did just get my lost fit liners, which does protect the back. So you probably might think like, hey, it's a little redundant to have both options in here. But again, there's a reasoning for it. There's a method behind the madness. And one big one is material. This is a strong material that's going to protect the carpet. And the big thing is when you're crawling around here, it's not gonna jack up your knees or hurt anything. You can slide things across a lot easier. Potentially sleep it back here, maybe on a camping trip or something. I'm able to slide around a lot free. I can pull out the lost fit and still have my carpet protected. Now these guys specialize, this is all specifically for like dogs and just protection. That's why they actually send you a couple bones for your dog. So I always put these away and hide them for the day I do have a dog. So the cool thing is I picked the material. I wanted this little bit of a lighter material. It does have the orange stitching since this is going to be my new color scheme again that I'm bringing back. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how this goes down and really how just perfectly it fits and just how nice and tight and snug it really gets. And again, it's perfect when I have the seats up. I have everything out here. I can kind of just slide around and not really mess with anything else. So let's go and get into it and I'll show you how this fits. So step one, I'm going to be taking out my lost fit liner. Let's see, I'm going to grab the big one. This just sticks down from Velcro. Pretty cool. If it's anything like the 5th Gen was, like it's already sticking to everything. Now these are going to go so far back that I'm going to have to pull up the seat. One of my more favorite features of this truck is how easy everything pops up. All right, so now that we have those up, you can see how everything literally is just unfolding from corner to corner. Nice and tight. I'm just pulling it a bit just to get it a little tighter. All right, so there's the whole backside. Super simple. Okay, so now that we got the whole backside done, let's go ahead and get the rear seats. Let's start lining this up. Yeah. So that is with the back on, everything nice and protected. So another cool feature here, if you need to use the tie downs, it's pretty easy. They just make it so it sticks to its own Velcro piece. So you can literally just pop up your tie downs if you need to use them ever. You know, and like I said in the beginning of the video, you know, this is one of those things where, you know, if I'm coming back here to camp and I need to move some stuff around, move in one of my beds or something in here, I'm not worried about scratching my knees up on the rubber, moving a fridge back here, anything like that. It's gonna stick to the hard plastic. So in this way, I can just pull that up, jump on here, it slides around, you know, it's just, hey, comfort first. Okay guys, so that is it for my 4th must-have mod for the new 6th Gen 4Runner, and that is Canvasback Cargo Liners. If you guys like it, check them out. I'm gonna leave the link to their Instagram and their website, so make sure you guys go check them out, show them some love. By the way, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. If you guys want to see more content like this revolving around the 6th gen, please let me know. Do the comment thing, do the subscribe thing, help out the channel, and I'll be able to do a lot more breakdowns like this here in the near future. So with that said, let's go ahead and get to the last, the final, the grand finale, the 5th must-have mod for the new 6th gen 4Runner. Here we go.